This is a door. There's already a video on the channel about cutting hinge pins. It's a lot easier to do when a door's not on the car. So that's what I would suggest. Once you break through, just gonna jam your screwdriver in there. Use a little hammer too. But you have to like slam that fucker out. Good luck. Come on. There you go. Alright, so you're getting ready to take your door off. Put a jack stand under there. Take all the stuff apart. You should be an expert by now if you're doing this. Like, if you have not taken this stuff apart, probably have somebody do it for you. Anyway, so what's holding this in is these two pins. I've already removed the little cotter keys out of them. Now I'm gonna get my other jack, support it, and then bang the pins out. Alright, it's a game called Try Not to Ruin It. Comes pin number 1. Oh, and these always don't want to come straight out because the head is so big that it doesn't want to fit over the contour of the door. There's the old one. Now the last one is on the bottom here. So it'll probably be a bit more of a bitch. I'm gonna have to get the hammer. Go ahead, you know, once you get your hammer, just kind of go in there and go. Okay. Yeah, here we go. God, it doesn't want to come. Go ahead, just kind of, you know, jam the screwdriver in there, do your magic. It's coming now. Oh God, there goes the old bushing. If you really want to work some magic, you get the hammer and the screwdriver. Should just be able to grab it out now. Come on, sucker. Okay, so now the only thing holding this in place is gravity. So you gotta kinda prepare yourself. Alright, so my plan here is to grab it, lower the jack, then kinda for a yank, try and set her down on the ground. And you wanna try and jiggle these plugs out without fucking ruining them. If you did right, you unplugged everything. I think I counted 3 in there, but you know, there could be a 4th one. I could have missed it. Well, it turned out the plugs were just hung up on something, so the door's disconnected now. And yes, it was 3. My speaker wire, I'm gonna have to rerun this, which is annoying, but you got the door off. Good job. You didn't kill yourself, and you didn't majorly damage this piece. Maybe someone will buy it, even though it's got rust. Anyway, so you can just kind of... Where the fuck am I gonna put this? How about the weight bench? Yeah, I think that'll hold for the moment. So yeah, you know, while you got the door off, you can kind of inspect this area. Probably gonna buy some rust converter and spray it on here. Kind of you know, you don't want this to get worse, because when that happens, you're not going to be able to put a door back on the car. So watch that kind of thing. Of course, I mean, make sure you rewire your stereo while you're here. And if your car doesn't have LED lights, you might want to unplug the battery, because your dome light will stay on until you put your door back on. If your hinges have never been fucked up or bent, I would suggest not unbolting them. You'll wiggle the whole car with that. But if your hinges got fucked up because of an accident, you're in for a whole ton of fun, because getting these lined up properly is really difficult. Here's a video of the wiring. So it comes in over here. You're gonna want to unplug this one that goes up to the power mirror. There's gonna be one for the window motor. There's gonna be one, oh yeah, don't forget about these. This little ground here is important. Where does this one go? This looks like the original speaker harness. Don't lose that. It goes through. All right, so once you got your door staged up, you get your wires stuffed in, and your speaker wire, of course, because that's important. You know, just kind of take a minute, take a breather, relax. Probably shove those wires in the door so they don't get crushed when you're doing feats of incredible human strength. And you know, just do it, just put it on. Yeah, I really should have changed out this roller pin while the door was off, but we'll get it, we'll get it. It is just kind of, you know, use one hand to insert the pin, use the other hand to shift the door, get her locked in. Now you just have to get the lower halves inserted. Shouldn't be too difficult. Oh shit. Yeah, got some high quality craftsmanship here. One of the bushings from late model restoration exploded while we were installing the door. And now I'm gonna have to probably take the whole fucker off again. Oh well, it's good practice. Well, at least for now it's on there and the door closes. Needs a little bit of adjustment down here so the lines match. And I'd say this line here is a little tight. You can't even fit a dollar bill. Well, I mean, I'm sure you could, but it needs to be more like that. Well, we got to take a break for now. This will be a good little short video to hold you guys over. I know you've been looking for some Mustang content, but I just got injected with COVID-19, so I'm gonna go take a nap. Heavy. We're gonna set her down right here. It's the passenger side. Oh boy. Oh shit. Okay. Got a landing spot. All right. That'll look good on the car.